How to use coins on Aliexpress. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up any web browser you want and head over to aliexpress.com. Then make sure to log into your account. Once you're here, tap on the coins section. Now from here you can collect your coins. Now if you don't have any coins you can collect from here, tap on the check-in button. Now you can tap on the earn more coins option if you want to earn more coins. So you can collect as much coins as you can and then open any product you want to purchase. Now if you have enough coins, you're going to get certain percent off discount. So in this case, you're going to get 41% off. Now tap on the buy now button. Now you can use the coins here to get the discount and tap on the buy now button, then continue with the payment method. And this is how you can use coins on AliExpress. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.